Hello everyone, you are welcome to this channel. Today in this video I am going to show you how to rank your blog or website to first page of Google search engine. So there are a lot of factors for making the first search result for your website, but very important, you connect your website or blog to Google Search Console. So in this video we learn how to connect blog to Google Search Console. Firstly, open any browser and type here Search Console. Click on first one. Now click on add a property. Now open your blog. And click on view blog. Now copy your blog URL and go to Search Console again. Paste here and click on add. Now check this box. I am not a robot. Now click on alternate methods. Select HTML tag. Make copy this code. Now go to your blog dashboard. Now click on theme. Click on edit HTML. Now paste in head section. Click on save theme. Now go to Search Console. Click on verify. So you will see this. Congratulations, you have successfully verified your ownership for this blog site. Click on continue. Now click on crawl and click on sitemaps. Click on add sitemap. Now open a new window and type here blogger sitemap generator. I will give the link in description. Click on first one. Now copy your blog address and paste here. Click on generate sitemap. Now copy this address. Paste in new window. Now copy from here. And go to Google Search Console and paste here. Click on submit. Refresh the page. So friends, by this method you can submit your blog site to Google Search Console and you can improve your search result. Thanks for watching this video.